Oh, hello. How's it going? I'm Nick Gaska and welcome to I Could Do That DIY. Today we're doing something super easy. We're changing an old outlet right here and an old light switch, which is not in frame, but I will put it in frame shortly. I'll put a picture here. It's right here, though. But the picture's here. So we're going to be changing out this outlet. It's super easy, nothing too complicated, but I did need a tutorial when I was doing this, so I thought I would do one myself. So here's the outlet. We're going from a 2-prong to a 3-prong. It's pretty easy. There's a gold side and a silver side, so it's really color-coded and simple. Same thing with the light switch. Here's a new light switch. Gold side. There is no silver. There's only gold. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. But first things first, we have to turn off the power, and to do that we're going to do a little test. We're going to leave a lamp plugged in, and when it's off, we know that the power's off. So let's go turn the power off, because we have to, because that's safe. So let's turn the power off, be right back. So here's the breaker switch. Breaker box looks something like this. All these things. So hopefully yours is labeled. Mine is, so let's see. Well, CP, bath, boiler, living room. All right, so that should be it. Let's go see. Okay, so the power's off. Let's do this. And just to double check, because off. Okay. So this is super easy. You just need a flathead screwdriver and start by unscrewing the top and bottom screw here and here. And sometimes they can be really covered in paint and just like old age and usage and people not knowing how to paint. If you're ever painting and you take off your switches, your plate covers, whatever, do yourself a favor. Don't paint over the screws if you ever intend on replacing them. Okay, let's unscrew. What wild, you put a little dowel here for some reason. Piece of dowel, weird. I'll leave that just in case I need it. So this outlet only has one wire. Very strange. They usually have two. Let's see if this works with just one. So there will be, these are really old, but there will be a white wire and a black wire. You can see that, white and black. The white wire goes on the silver side and the black wire goes on the brass side. Okay, so unscrew. So they had it flipped. So I want it like this. Because, wait, do I? Am I confusing things? Pause. So that was right. Reviewed the footage. I'm confusing myself. Because this has a brass bottom, but the bolt is silver. And this is brass and brass. I got with color confusion. So this is right. So we're going to hook it on the bottom. Like it was before. And there we go. So once it's in place, we're going to just screw it in. If we can hold onto the screwdriver and squeeze it in. Okay, it's nice and tight in there. And just do the same thing for the brass side with the black wire. There, now we're cooking with gas. We're cooking with electricity because we're doing wiring. Okay, perfect. So then, this has a dowel too. What's with the dowels, guys? So weird. Well, I'll just leave that there. Don't know. Let's add a dowel. Okay, and we're transfer this back in. Bottom is in. We're just going to use our new covers. Does anyone else hate screwing things in? So that should be it. I'm going to turn the power back on and see if it worked. Be right back. Alright, let's see. It worked. Super easy. So let's do the light switch. We're going to change the angle so you can see. Okay, so here's the light switch. I'm going to go turn off the power again and we're going to do the same thing. Power's off. Okay, we're going to start by unscrewing it just like last time. This one's really painted on. Oh my god, it's moving. I made it go horizontal. Oh my god, it's moving, guys. I was just about to give up. That was an emotional journey. So I can see it's painted on super hardcore where it connects. So I'm just going to kind of help it a little bit. Maybe. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but I don't know if this is helping. Let's try to get it off first. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Oh, sure. Okay. So we have a black and a silver. Okay. Black. Are they both black? Okay, pause.
Hello?
Okay, had to call my dad to figure what this is doing. So there's two cords here. Apparently this is powering something, so I'm supposed to put two of them on the bottom and one on top, because this is old. So we're going to do that. Let's do that. Okay, it is hooked, screwing it in. And whenever I get confused, I always call my dad. My dad's really handy at everything. If you don't know, call someone handy that knows. Don't guess. And, or Google. Or hire a professional. But this is a DIY channel, so we're doing it ourselves. Okay. Okay. We're just going to screw this in. Okay, it is in. And we're going to put the light switch back on, the cover, got a new cover to match. We're doing a shiny brass. And there it is. Let's go test it out and see if it works. Okay, it's working. You can't see, it's turning on the closet. So thanks so much for watching. I hope it helped. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all of our projects. See you in the next one. Bye.